I'll talk about the 360 collaborative mixed reality that used for the virtual tourism, especially in the post-COVID era. My name is Huidong, and I work as a CTO at the EnvisageAR, and Mark is the CEO. So sorry to show the COVID icon for the first slides, but I believe most people had a really tough year in 2020, and because of COVID and all these different situations. And the COVID fundamentally changed the humans' our mindset. For example, the remote collaboration, work from home. I think most people accept the concept now, and some tech companies in Silicon Valley announced that the permanent work from home policy for their employees, and we believe that remote working will be a new normal even after the COVID. And at the same time, another big hit by the COVID is the travel and tourism industry, especially in New Zealand. And what will be a new normal for these industries? Well, if you see the travel arrivals and departure flights in New Zealand, in the first quarter basically vanished from I think 25,000 to basically zero. And New Zealand tourism industry lost more than $10 billion just in a few months. And if we cannot visit the world, can we bring the world to yourself? Yes, we can. And one example is the Airbnb. They have announced the online experience. I encourage everyone to play with it. It's actually really exciting. One example I can show here is, I'll show the page. This one. So actually they're touring from Italy, and as you can see, the price is reasonable, $27, and some slots are already fully booked. So the remote virtual tourism is a big thing actually, and get lots of attention and interest from the customer all over the world. And we bring the Envisage 360 technology and the platform. Basically provide immersive and interactive cloud-based virtual tourism experience. And the basic form is that on the local they host with a tablet and 360 camera and wirelessly stream to the internet in real time, and the clients or viewer will join through the cloud server and then see the 360 interactive rendering videos in real time. Basically considered as a Zoom, but support the 360 interactive videos. I'll show one clip. Give a quick concept.
Imagine being able to visit a location without really going there. At EnvisageAR, we're using innovative 360-degree video conferencing technology to enable tourists to travel without leaving their homes.
At the same time, we can load the pre-recorded videos up to 4K, and also the pre-recorded still image up to 8K in real time. And you can notice that you didn't need to install any software, but just click URL and you start the experience. This is the 8K still image. Combined with all these technologies, we can provide fully immersive and interactive experience. So the technology itself includes few components. The first is live 360 video. There's no delay compared to the YouTube or Facebook 360 streaming. It normally has 10 seconds of delay, but this is basically a Zoom. So there's no delay between the users. As second, of course, it's interactive. You can pan around. And we also support the pre-recorded 4K videos or 8K still image. And the next version we are working on right now is to actually also support individual feedback. That means the viewer can remotely point to the object that they're interested in, and the host will see the pointing and make the conversation more efficiently. And also at the same time, assume that the presenter are talking about specific object, And because of 360, the rest of 10 users are looking in different directions, which is not good or ideal. So what we can do is to click one button, everyone will rotate to the direction and share the same direction with the tour guide. And of course, as you see, you can upload your customized contact, and we also support the 3D contact AR overlay. In terms of the business, actually, we don't, of course, the first is that it's easy to deploy to the customers. There's no end user technology. You don't need to install software. You just open the browser, which everyone has. And also we support the tour group size up to 30 people in total with with in real time interaction with no delay. And also we support the white label, which means that you can easily integrate with our technology into your own website. And we did the pilot test with the Auckland Museum, with the University of Auckland English Language Academia to support the overseas students learning the language. And the feedback are pretty positive. And we expect the 5G will be rolled out really soon, and there will be a key lab for 5G applications. And think about one question. What's the thing behind the Zoom, right? Zoom Plus or any other technology that will overcome the current limitations that go far beyond. So we believe our platform can deliver these features, experience, and the value to the society. One more thing is the quick demo that we set up a live camera in the big room next to us. Just to show this one. This is the first version of the prototype. We tested, and the second prototype will support the pointing and other features. So sorry. So you can hear, of course, the video. If you logged in, you will see it's just a Zoom-based interface. But if you see, this is 360 video. Oh, sorry. Oh, here we go. You can see they are in live. They're talking about AR, VR anyway. So you can hear that the talk as well. At the same time, we can load the pre-recorded video. I think it takes, that's just the image. Oh, it takes some time. But anyway, just go back. You will go back to the same experience. And welcome to try the demo next on the second floor. And on top of that, we are also testing with the drones, actually for the city emergency response and city management. Because currently we have to deploy the people to the site or to the accident, and then record the video and set back or do the communication. But with the drone, only one person operates the drone with 360 video feed back to the internet, and the officer or management team who stay in front of the computer can see all the informations at the same time and give the response really quick. Another thing that we're doing is that we believe that 5G will provide great speed and bandwidth for the internet data. We extended the current 360 2D sensors, and we built our own 360 3D sensors that can capture the real-time 3D point cloud data and streaming to the clouds. That will be another next level of the VR experience. And they also can be used for the virtual tourism in real time and also other remote education as well. This is short video clip. This is the first version. The new version, the quality is much better. We replaced the new sensor with the new sensor. But you can see everything is 360 and 3D and live, which is one of the first sensor in the world that can support these features. I think that's all. Thanks.
Nice.